This is Virto, a custom hearing aid. To clean it, you will need the following tools: cloth, brush, vent cleaner, wax guard, and drying beaker. Routine care of your hearing aid is important for maintaining the best sound possible and for extending the life of your hearing aid. First, examine the hearing aid. Check for any wax or dirt. Pay attention to the area that goes into your ear, particularly near the wax guard and also the outside microphones. Use your clean dry cloth to remove wax and dirt from the hearing aid. You can also use the brush to remove any wax or dirt near the microphones or the wax guard. Insert the vent cleaner through the vent to remove any wax or dirt. Please check the wax guard regularly. If blocked with wax or dirt, consider exchanging it. Insert the removal side of the exchange tool into the used wax guard. Pull the wax guard straight out of the speaker. To insert the new wax guard, turn the tool around and insert the new wax guard into the speaker. When you are not using your hearing aid, leave the battery door open so that any moisture can evaporate. You should dry your hearing aid overnight. A drying beaker can assist you with moisture removal. Please make sure to remove the battery.